Hello guys, welcome to the channel Health Tricks and Tips in English.
So guys, today we will understand what are the importance, what are the benefits of doing exercise during pregnancy. The number one reason you get a lot of energy for your pregnancy and your labor. You're keeping yourself fit and fine. You're definitely improving your energy level, and this is going to help you at the time of delivery. A woman who has done exercises during her pregnancy will find it really better to cope up with the labor situation when it comes to the normal delivery. The second thing is that it will help you look after your newborn baby in a very good way, because as you are yourself very fit and fine, you can take care of your newborn baby very well, because once your baby is delivered, you have to feed him or her very frequently, and that would definitely going to require your physical fitness as well. So if you have done the physical activities prior to the delivery, it is going to give you a lot of energy when your baby is born. Third thing is that it can definitely help you with the pain. So guys, if you are doing moderate exercise, it is going to boost the release of the beta endorphins, which can provide a sense of well-being and decrease the perception of pain during pregnancy. This can lead to less lower back pain, ligament pain, and your headaches. Third thing is that it is going to make you feel good. In a study, it has been found that the woman who did not do exercise regularly only had a 2.5 increase in endorphins. However, the woman who did had near about 80% increase in the release of endorphins. As I've already told you, that endorphin is something that gives you a sense of well-being and decrease the perception of pain during your labor and pregnancy. The another thing is that quite common problem during the pregnant ladies that they are not getting the good sleep. But guys, if you are doing exercise and you are keeping yourself fit, then definitely your sleeping pattern will be better than those who are not doing exercise. And moreover, when you're doing exercise, definitely you are just making yourself tired, and so you will easily get the sleep. With respect to the pregnant women who are not doing exercise or any other physical activity, and most of the time they are just resting, then another benefit you will have is to maintain a healthy weight. Friends, keeping a very good weight is really very much required during the pregnancy, because if you are having the right weight, it will help you in getting the normal delivery in an easy way. And if you are exercising, definitely your baby inside the womb will also not get overweight, so you are not having any problem while you are delivering normally. Last but not the least, if you are doing exercises not all through your pregnancy but even in the third trimester, then definitely it is going to make your muscles stronger. Your pelvis muscle is going to be stronger and more flexible, and you will feel less of the pain when you are pushing your baby at the time of normal delivery. So guys, this were all the benefits and reason why a pregnant woman is often asked to do moderate and casual exercise. Guys, where exercise is very much important, first you need to consult your doctor whether you are fit to do exercise during pregnancy or not, because in some cases doctor will not allow you to do any exercise or any physical activity. Sometimes doctor will only advise you to go for the complete bed rest in case you are having some pregnancy complications.
If you found this video worthwhile, do give me a thumbs up. If you're watching the channel first time, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon and select all to get notified of all the upcoming videos on pregnancy. We will catch up in next video. Till then, peace out, stay happy, stay healthy.